Hey there, amazing viewers! James Smith here, and I'm super excited to share with you a game-changing discovery in the world of passive income, the AI Ninja Kit. As a fellow entrepreneur, I understand how crucial it is to find tools that truly work wonders for your business growth. The AI Ninja Kit is the world's first all-in-one solution that lets anyone, regardless of prior experience, tap into over 200+ passive income streams using the power of artificial intelligence. With its newbie-friendly interface and 200+ business-boosting AI tools, you can skyrocket your business growth in a cost-effective manner. But wait, there's more! If you purchase this fantastic product through my link in the description, you'll also receive exclusive bonuses from my side that will take your success to the next level. AI Ninja Kit is the world's first and most newbie-friendly technology that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence. With this revolutionary kit, you can tap into over 200 passive income streams, regardless of your prior skills or experience. Say goodbye to the days of grappling with complex tools and say hello to a seamless, user-friendly experience. One of the standout features of AI Ninja Kit is its impressive lineup of 200+ business-boosting AI tools. Powered by the cutting-edge AI technology, GPT-4, these tools will take your business growth to the next level. From attention-grabbing marketing assets to captivating content creation, all accessible from one convenient dashboard. But that's not all. With AI Ninja Kit, you get the first-mover advantage in the market. Stay ahead of the competition and crush them with your innovative approach, setting yourself up for unparalleled success. Experience the magic of result-generating AI prompts. Gone are the days of wasting time with complex prompts. Now you can effortlessly create compelling content that speaks directly to your target audience and keeps them hooked. AI Ninja Kit is designed for your convenience. Forget about downloading, installing, or customizing. Just get started within seconds. It works seamlessly on all devices, so you can stay on top of your business, wherever you go. What's even more exciting is the limited-time commercial license included. You can leverage the power of AI to create captivating marketing assets and sell them to a hungry global audience. The possibilities are endless. Plus, there's a cherry on top. When you get access to AI Ninja Kit today, you'll receive premium, never-before-offered bonuses worth $6,658. These valuable additions will turbocharge your success and take your business to unprecedented heights. Don't miss out on this chance to supercharge your income and build a thriving business. Hit that link below and let's make magic happen!